Hi friends, welcome my channel JM Express. So, in this video we are review top 5 best camping fan. A camping fan should offer reliable cooling without burning through batteries or keeping you awake at night. A good fan should make you feel more comfortable while also being energy efficient, gentle on the ears, and easy to control. For almost a decade, we've tested dozens of fans.
Number 5. It's better quality product in this list. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 4. This is one of the best product in this video. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. If you want more information about this product, please check description box. Number 3. This product quality is very good. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 2. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 1.
This product full details.
Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Thanks for watching.